Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. We are starting with a bare face today. I don't even have my moisturizer or anything like that. I was feeling really sick and I hadn't worn makeup in like a week. So I just really wanted something that would pick me up. I looked so bad. The lighting doesn't do justice to how bad I looked. So yeah, I just really, seeing me coughing there, I just really wanted to feel better, and I feel like makeup always makes me feel better. So I thought I would just do something really light and simple. So I thought I would take you along with me on that journey. Just starting out with my skincare with my Garnier Ultra Lift Face Moisturizer, followed by my Sukin eye cream. I'll leave all the products down below, so please be sure to check that out. And then I'm just applying my SPF. And then today we're not doing any foundations or anything like that. We're just using concealers. And literally that's just going to be our base for the day. So starting out with my Flower Beauty concealer, and then just applying on the high points of my face. And then I'm using the Maybelline Master concealer, and then just kind of warming it up a little bit because the Flower Beauty one is a little bit too light. So it turns out like it's a lot of, just this tiny little bit gives you a lot of coverage. So I'm just actually applying it where I have a lot of pigmentation, and then on my cheeks I do have some scarring from previous breakouts and stuff, so I'm just using that just a little bit on the like on the sides of my face. So yeah, just using a brush to blend it out. That brush is really good for under eye, but then for the rest of my face I had to go in with a bigger brush, sorry. And then just, you know, spreading that all across the face. Like I said, it's too light, so don't worry, it'll come together. I will use a bronzer to make it all seamless. But yeah, I just went back in with that brush to just sort of make sure that my under eye area was nicely blended in. You can see that I'm in my comfortable hoodie. This is like my winter companion. I always wear this hoodie, and every winter I'm like, I'm gonna throw it away because it is so well loved, but I just cannot seem to get rid of it. It is actually my comfort place. So you must have seen that previously in videos, and you will probably see more in this winter as well. But anyways, after the foundation, or sorry, not even foundation, after the concealer, I'm just going in with my face powder, which is the Australis face powder. I'm so glad that I've gone back to it. I just really love this powder because it gives you that little bit of coverage as well. And then I'm using the same powder with my sponge and just applying that underneath my eyes, as well as a little bit over my eyelids as well, just to avoid creasing because we are using just concealer today. So yeah, and then to warm up my face, going in with my Good to Glow bronzer. Now this one is one of those bronzers where if I know that my foundation is really lightweight, this is my savior. This one will definitely, because it is really pigmented, so this one will give me that color and warmth that I need. So just applying that all over. I literally did not have any sort of energy or anything like that. I really just wanted to make myself feel better. So going in with highlight, extra highlight. I have been feeling very dehydrated and stuff like that, so I did go in a little bit heavy-handed with my moisturizer, and then I was trying to find like a moisturizing primer, but I couldn't find it. I have no idea where it is, so I thought I would just go a little bit, you know, heavy-handed with the highlighter, just to give the illusion of healthy skin. Now my camera doesn't do justice to this blush ever, but it is my Essence, I think it's the one in peach. I'm using that blush, and I really like applying my highlighter first and then blush on top, because then it just kind of melts in with each other. So just going with blush to give that warmth, and then I'm going to do my brows off camera. I just use the powder just to kind of give it like a really soft, subtle hint. And then I am using this Maybelline Duo, just using the lighter shade to apply that all over my eyelids, and using my most loved brush, I'd say, the Clinique one. It's the shader brush. And then I'm going in with the bronzer shade in the Revlon Contour Kit, and just applying that. I could not be bothered, guys, trust me, I just didn't have it in me. So this is like my quickest go-to look that I was ready in like 10-15 minutes, I would say, maybe less. It just takes a while when you're showing products onto the camera and stuff. And then of course sometimes, you know, if you really want to be in your zone, then I sit there and keep blending and keep, you know, buffing out stuff. And then for my eyelids, I'm just going in with a little bit of a sheen. I feel like that always brings the look together, and that always kind of makes it a bit more, I don't know, like feminine, I guess. Like it just looks nice when you have that little sheen. And then for my brow bones, I'm just using my Revlon Vintage Lace eyeshadow, just to kind of diffuse any harshness from the contour, from the bronzer shade on the eyelids, and then also just to highlight my brow bone. Throwing it back with my CoverGirl Lash Blessed Mascara. Now this one I feel like I really need to throw it out, but I'm just taking my time to build this one. It is very light, and it is exactly what I needed, because again, I did not want anything heavy. I didn't want anything that would take forever to get out of my lashes at night. So just really taking my time to build it up. And then for my lips, I am just using a lip gloss. This is by Maybelline. Again, it'll be listed down below. And yeah, that's it. That completes the look today. I hope you guys found this helpful. I feel like every year I end up doing like a pick me up video, you know, when I'm sick and stuff. This is something different to what I've done in the past. This is just a really quick no foundation routine, and I feel like I have nailed it. I really like it. It works and it stays put, to be very honest. You know, I want it to last through blowing my nose and everything like that. It's not gonna last through blowing your nose, but then it does stay put throughout the day, if you know what I mean. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you found this helpful. Until next time, take care guys. Bye.